I want to install this new amp, so that means I'm going to need to drill another hole in the firewall in the Jeep. Let's do it. So this is where we are. We're on the passenger side behind the battery. I'm going to drill the new hole right down in there because it's one of the easiest spots to get to and one of the safest spots to drill through. The reason I need to drill this hole is because that red and black wire are taking up the only existing hole that I have on this side. So I'm going to put a new one right here, pretty much directly next to it. This one's going to be a little bit bigger to accommodate a larger size wire. So I'm on the inside of the Jeep, down under the glove compartment, and I have not had to remove anything at this point. I will drill a pilot hole first, get everything lined up, get it where I want it, and punch it straight through. Now we'll bore it out a little bit. For that, we'll use a step bit pre-marked at 1/2 inch. The length of this bit requires me to come in at a slightly odd angle, but just a couple little pulses of the drill, and everything's perfect. Never pass wires through a firewall without including a grommet to keep the wires from chafing or getting stripped. I'll start by fishing the first wire through, and as you can see, this wire is considerably larger than the wire next to it. But with that through, now I just have to go ahead and grab it, pull it out of the way, and I can get the other one started. Now I'll feed that second wire through, and you can kind of get the idea of why that hole had to be a 1/2 inch. Those cables are thick, and that hole is pretty tight. Now keep in mind that drilling a hole through the firewall of your vehicle may void your warranty, it may cause general havoc and destruction, and if you believe what the naysayers say, it may cause the universe to collapse into a black hole. Just because you can do something doesn't necessarily mean that you should do something. But I've got an amp to install, and to me, it's worth the risk. And, well, this vehicle's like 17 years old, so quite frankly, I just don't care. Well, that's it. I'm ready to finish hooking up this amp. I hope this video gave you some ideas of how you can drill a hole in the firewall of your vehicle, and if it did, well, you know what to do. Spots for all that stuff down below, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.